Ang storyang babasahin natin is for the first time in my life in history as a jock, as a DJ. First time po ako nakatanggap ng sulat via Instagram. Yes, ganun siya sabihin na natin, persistent. Doon niya nilagay sa Instagram ko. Direct message sa Instagram ang kanyang storya. So, eto na nga po, babasahin na natin ang kanyang kwento and hopefully matulungan natin siya ngayong gabi. Now, if you want to comment, gusto nyo mag-react sa kanyang storya na aking babasahin, nakapost po ang isang picture sa letters, ang letters to you LDR photo sa Usapang LDR. Just comment down below the picture, okay? Ito po ang storya ni Angel. Actually, Angel na lang ipinangalan ko sa kanya kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede ko i-reveal yung name niya. So, Angel na lang. Sabi niya dito, "Hi DJ Lala, I hope you don't mind to read my story and I need your advice. Avid fan niyo po ako and always akong nakikinig sa inyo. Ito po ang storya ko. I am in LDR for almost 4 months. I'm a bisexual. Nauna akong umuwi sa boyfriend ko. Bale, parehos kaming OFW sa Saudi. Then sa mga nakaraang buwan, okay naman kami. Pero last month, yun na yung naging masalimuot na ang nangyari sa amin. To the point na naglilihim siya sa akin. But eventually, umamin naman siya. Fast forward po natin. One day I asked him na ibigay sa akin yung password niya ng messenger niya. Kasi DJ, kinukutuban na ako na may something eh. Before that, alam kong mali. I tested his honesty to me. Kumbaga, we have one friend in common at he likes my BF before at may nangyari sa kanila. But ngayon, sigurado ako na wala na din naman yon. In short, I used him para masagawa ko yung plano ko. Before, I told my BF na wag na siyang makikipag-usap sa mga nakaraan niya. Then I told that person na i-message ang BF ko. Kumbaga, try niya kung makikipag-usap sa kanya. And it happened. Tapos sabi pa nung guy na inutusan ko na i-message siya na kung magagalit raw ako dahil magka-chat sila. Then my BF replied, "Hindi ko alam." I have a proof DJ Lala kasi pina-screenshot ko ang convo nila. Then connect doon sa pagkuha ko ng password niya, pag-check ko sa messenger niya, wala na yung convo nila. It was deleted. Ang sakit-sakit DJ Lala. Then eto na po. I don't have any issue about his friend before we've been in a relationship. Pero meron kasing isang guy na masasabi ko na close siguro sa lahat. Binasa ko kasi ang convo nila DJ Lala. Then alam mo yung feeling DJ na may something in between sa kanilang dalawa? Even though they confessed, both of them, na walang sila. Hindi naging sila. Tapos sa guy friend niyang to, pakiramdam ko na mas komportable pa siya na kausapin yun regarding his own plan. Yun yung masakit sa akin DJ Lala. I am his partner. But yung plans niya, hindi ko alam. Unlike dun sa guy na yan. Sobrang sakit DJ Lala at hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko. I need your advice. I will watch your FB live po DJ Lala para makapakinig po ako ng payo mo sa akin. Kailangan ko na bang bumitaw? Kasi pagod at sobra na po akong nasasaktan. Pero mahal na mahal ko siya eh. At ayokong masayang yung na-invest naming relationship kasi magtatatlong taon na po kami. At pag may ganitong away kami, madalas pakiramdam ko na ayaw niyang pag-usapan namin. Sa ginagawa niya, wala siyang pakialam sa feelings ko. I will wait po DJ Lala sa advice mo po. I need it. Salamat. Sabi niya, okay lang po ba may idadagdag pa ako? Taray, to be continued. Added ko lang po dun sa guy na close niya. Ang masakit lang kasi 'di ba po sa FB may mini-mention na 4 years of friendship with Keme. Ganun po, alam niyo po ba DJ Lala na bakit kailangan i-direct message niya yon sa guy imbes na i-share sa timeline niya? Then sabi pa ng BF ko na matagal na pala tayo. Then sinundan ng magkakilala. Yung tipong binitin pa niya yung salitang magkakilala. Kasi habang tumatagal po kami, hindi ko din alam ang nangyayari sa relationship namin. Siya kasi yung taong ayaw na niyang pag-usapan yung mga nangyari na. Pero bakit ganun? Nangyayari ulit siya dahil siya din naman yung gumagawa. uuwi na din naman siya by next month dito sa Pinas. I don't know, DJ, if kakausapin ko po siya sa mga bagay na ganyan o isasawalang bahala ko na lang. Pero hindi kasi ako ganung tao eh. Gusto ko mapag-usapan para mawala yung tanong sa isip ko. Sa totoo lang po, yung love ko sa kanya ay hindi nakagaya ng doon. So ano pong gagawin ko? Angel, ganito no? I know na you have your doubts. And your instinct para mawala yung doubt na yon is to address the issue. But one thing is blocking you. Wala kayong communication. There is no banter. Non-existent yung banter ninyo tungkol sa issue na yon. Kasi this guy is trying to shove away the issue. Ayaw niyang pag-usapan. And then you've come to the idea na magkaroon ng step in order to see if totoo nga yung nararamdaman mo na your guy is cheating on you. And the answer is probably yes. Kasi he promised you one thing na hindi na siya makikipag-usap sa mga past niya, and right there and then, he broke it. You have all the proof. Ngayon ang tanong ko, nung ginawa mo yung little experiment na yan, anong sinabi mo sa sarili mo? Ano bang deal mo sa sarili mo nung ginawa mo yung experiment na yan? Is the goal to prove that your partner is unfaithful? And if yes, makikipaghiwalay ka? Or you just wanna prove na tama ka? Kasi sometimes when we do things or steps in order to address an issue, kailangan kasi it doesn't stop there eh. It doesn't end there. Dapat yung plano mo ng pagko-confront dito, dire-diretso hanggang dulo. Hindi yung kapag napatunayan mo, bahala na si Batman. Yun yung sinasabi ko eh. Once you've proven to yourself or you've proven in the relationship na ikaw yung nasa tama, na ikaw yung tama, ano na mangyayari pagkatapos? Hanggang doon na lang ba yun? Sometimes when we build a plan, para itrap yung isang tao. When we build a plan para makita kung yung taong yun ay totoo sa atin, we have to go all the way. If yung plan mo ay proven to be effective at na-reveal yung totoo sa'yo, you should have this option na kung ano na yung gagawin mo. Will you let it go? Will you confront the guy? And if he still says no, you show the picture at kapag sinabi niyang totoo yan, you let go. Yung mga ganon. Kumbaga, hindi ka lang titingin sa kung anong plano para mahuli siya. Dapat pinag-isipan mo all the way through sa kung anong gagawin mo kapag nahuli mo na siya. Diba, wag tayo gumawa ng storyang or ng entrapment na half-baked. If you wanna do it, you have to have the bravery and the courage to pull through it. Kasi kung hindi, you're just creating a mess. You're just creating an issue. You're just inviting other people to jump in your relationship and make things even more complicated. And right now, that's how it is. Why? Kasi Angel, you opened a door. You gave him something na he has been asking for the past few months in your relationship. A door outside. Or a way outside your relationship. So, ang akin lang dito, Angel, is you have to decide what to do with this knowledge of yours. What to do with this intel of yours. Kung anong gagawin mo sa nalaman mo. That's something you have to ask yourself. Na ngayong alam ko na he is capable of doing this. Ngayon alam ko na he is not capable of keeping his promise. Then you ask yourself, do I stay? Do I stay with the guy who doesn't keep his promises? Do I stay with the guy na alam ko na kapag nakatalikod ako, iba yung inaasikaso, iba yung binibigyan ng importansya, iba yung pinapahalagahan? And if the answer is yes, alam kong mag-iisa na yung iniisip natin, then it's time to let go. Not because you're done with it, but because it's wrong. I don't want to stay in this relationship na hindi natin naiintindihan yung isa't isa. I don't want to stay in this relationship na nagkakalokohan na lang tayo. I don't want to stay in the relationship na alam ko lang yung mga ginagawa mo kapag kasama kita, pero kapag hindi na tayo magkasama, kapag medyo miles apart na tayo or days apart, or kaya naman kahit few kilometers apart pa lang, matatakot na ako sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo kasi I no longer trust you. I no longer have faith in you. Hindi ko alam kung lulukuhin mo ko. Hindi ko alam kung sasaksakin mo ko patalikod. Then Angel, if I were you, I'll confront my guy. I'll tell him everything. I'm so sorry I did this. I was forced to do this. I know it was wrong to test you. I know it's wrong to use someone in your past to test you. But then again, you gave me no choice. You're not talking to me. And that's the problem. I am your partner but I feel like a stranger sa relationship nating dalawa. So I did this. And with that, I'm sorry. I apologize for it. But it was worth it. Kasi right now I know na you are not the guy you're telling me you are. Hindi ikaw yung lalaking pinapakita mo sa aking ikaw. So let's end it here if you don't want to talk. Let's end this relationship right here, right now. If you don't want to converse with me. If you don't want to communicate with me. Kasi wala tayong isyong maaayos. Wala tayong isyong matatapos if you are not going to be willing na makipag-usap sa akin. Angel, force him to talk. Force him to communicate. If he declines, let him go. Kasi a relationship without communication is like putting two strangers in one room, pero tatanggalan mo sila ng karapatan mag-usap. That's the kind of relationship you have. Locked in kayo for how many years? Locked in kayo sa isang relationship na you don't even know if that person you're seeing ay yun talaga yung pagkatao niya. So if I were you, Angel, I'll confront my guy. I'll force him to talk. If he doesn't want to talk, I'll let him go. Ikaw na nagsabi, pagod ka na. Ikaw na nagsabi, sobrang nasasaktan ka na sa relationship. If you cannot see anything worth fighting for, then just let it go. Sometimes, love is not enough. We need more than that to maintain a relationship. Kaya, Angel, if you're still listening to me right now, I know you are. Kasi nagme-message ka pa sa Instagram ko na you're listening right now. Kailangan mo siya i-confront. At kailangan mo maging handa. Na kung ano man yung magiging sagot niya sa confrontation ninyong dalawa, if it doesn't favor you, if it doesn't, if it's not the answers you are rooting for para ituloy yung relationship nyo, then just let it go. Okay? Then just set him free. Kasi you would rather be single than be in a relationship with someone you don't know. Someone na hindi mo kilala. And someone na hindi magiging exclusively sa'yo. By heart. Okay? Kaya sa mga kabisyo natin, again, kung meron kayong mga ganitong partner and you feel like yung partner nyo ay mas komportable pa with someone else, mas komportable pa with his or her friends rather than you, then there must be something wrong in your relationship. It's either hindi niya magawang maging open sa'yo kasi medyo strong yung personality mo and meron kang standard na he or she has to keep up with, or hindi lang talaga siya komportable at all with you. At ang isang relationship na you are not comfortable with is not a relationship na kayang tumagal ng panghabang buhay. So Angel, again, confront your partner. Tell him what's wrong. Tell him what you know. Then ask him, what about now? What about us? What do we do now? If wala siyang sinagot sa alinman sa mga tanong mo, then you'll know it's time for you to leave him. It's time for you to cut things out. It's time for you to sever the ties. It's time for you to say goodbye. Okay?